Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to try tension blow drying my hair. So I'm going to need a blow dryer. I have this blow dryer that I use with my diffuser. I have some clips, 2 hair brushes, and of course the scissors to trim my ends. So let's get started. I'm starting on freshly washed, dripping wet hair, like it's literally dripping wet. Straight out of the shower, and I'm just gonna section off that back section into a smaller section. So my hair is pretty much in 3 sections, and it's gonna be at least 6 sections on each side that I blow dry my hair in. Just showing you guys a little bit of what my texture looks like, dripping wet, straight out the shower. The blow dryer that I have, I believe, is a Revlon blow dryer, and it comes with 3 heat settings and 3 air settings. It also has a cool shot button. The heat settings I think goes from cool to warm to hot, and in terms of the air setting, it only goes from low to high. So what I'm using on warm and low. So it's gonna take a while because, as I said, I am starting off on soaking wet here. So to begin the first step of this process, I'm just applying tension, which is what this method is called, applying tension to my ends and air drying my hair until it reaches to about 75% dry. Then I go ahead and detangle. Detangling, if you use the right leave-in and oil, which I did apply my leave-in and oil already in the shower. That's how I like to apply my leave-in in the shower, so I can seal with cold water to ensure that my cuticles are closed. But yeah, so once you detangle, your leave-in should help you with your detangling process. And once you detangle, you're just gonna go ahead and use that same brush to just chase with the blow dryer and continue drying your hair until it is completely dry. Like, you don't want it to be dry to a crisp, but yeah, you just want to get it to be completely dry. You don't want to overly dry it to dry out your hair. So I detangle again, and I'm just going in now with my bamboo paddle brush and doing one more final blow dry, this time a little bit more concentrated on the top. And I feel like the bamboo brush has just helped give it a little bit more shine. So this is my end result of what it looks like. I'm just going to use the cool shot button now and ensure that my cuticles are closed. So I went from warm air to cool air. I did not use hot air at all. Like, this did not get hot because I'm staying at a low air setting and warm temperature. So once I'm finished blow drying, I just go ahead and smooth my hair and feel to where my ends need to trim. This part of my hair was actually pretty even. It didn't need to trim much, but I can feel where my ends are rough. So I just trimmed off a little bit of those old ends, went ahead and twisted my hair up. And what you can actually feel once you twist your hair up, like, you can feel single strands, or if your ends are like super rough. So if it is super rough, or if there's any single strands, I just go ahead and I cut those off to ensure a clean cut, and I secure it with a clip. So all I'm gonna do now is just repeat that entire process. As mentioned, on one side of my hair, it's actually more dense than the other. So on one side, I blow dried it in 3 sections in the back, 3 in the front, and the other section actually was a little bit more sections because my hair is more dense on the other side. So I'm removing any hair. You want to be sure that you're removing any hair that you may have in the brush, because that's going to cause snags as you're blow drying. And some parts of my hair are really kinky. I mean, I do have kinky hair, so I have to go ahead and re-detangle the ends as I'm moving down to ensure that I'm not tugging at my hair too much. So as you can see, as I said, I'm just repeating the entire process over and over. I really don't take off a lot of hair. I didn't have a lot of heat damage on this portion of my hair, so I didn't take off a lot of hair on this side, but I did go ahead and take off a lot more hair on my top section, and in the middle section my hair is actually at an angle, which you're gonna see a little bit later, is that my hair is cut more in an angle at the top, so it's not so easy to trim as you see here where everything is even. But I do like having even sections because it allows for really great results when you're doing a twist out and braid outs. As you can see, I didn't even apply anything on my hair, and my hair is wanting to take a twist and braid out, a twist out definition, because that was the twist I was putting in. So after I'm all done, this is what my hair is looking like. I do like the tension blowout method, but for me it's a little bit time consuming. I think I would use it to trim, but I'm going to show you guys how I do my threading results. I'm not going to show you guys completely how I do my threading, more so showing you the results and comparing it to the blowout. As you can see, my roots are still just as unkinked, and it's still not as difficult to detangle. It's just that because I didn't allow my hair to settle, my hair wasn't in twist, especially on the other side. I didn't get a chance to twist it because I was being lazy. But you can see that my hair is still straight. It's just a little bit bigger because I didn't set it in any type of twist and detangle it in smaller sections. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.